Burnout: Self-Care for Behavioral Health Clinicians. Written by Vanessa Leck. Narrated by Emily Ember. Disclaimer: This book was inspired by and based upon my life experiences as I attended school, pursued licenses, and worked in the mental health and substance abuse industry. I am not providing legal advice, medical advice, or instructing others about how to handle their unique situations. Instead, my intention is to write a book about the topic of burnout, which too often is unaddressed, and instead completely ignored inside of the behavioral health industry. My hope is that this book helps to bring awareness and assistance to behavioral health clinicians that desperately need the assistance to prevent and to address the real-life issues that arise from burnout. Forward. My name is Vanessa Leck. I work as a behavioral health clinician. I have and am continuing to develop resources to empower behavioral health clinicians. My background is in healthcare. I've worked in one way or another in the healthcare industry for most of my adult life. I have earned a bachelor's degree in healthcare management, a master's of science in health sciences with a concentration in public health, MSHS, and a master's degree in social work, MSW. Currently in the state of North Carolina, I hold licenses as a licensed clinical social worker associate, LCSWA, and a licensed clinical addiction specialist associate, LCASA. I'm currently working towards completing all requirements to earn a license as a clinical social worker, LCSW, and a license as a clinical addiction specialist, LCAS. As you can imagine, I'm quite career-oriented and have had a tendency to lead a busy yet fulfilling life. I have had many of the same trials and tribulations as many other behavioral health clinicians out there. I have dealt with awful employers. I have managed the unique stressors that behavioral health clinicians experience. I have seen the ill effects that this line of work can have, and oftentimes does have upon people. I've become aware that many people burn out of this field within their first 5 years, never to return. I definitely get why this happens. Graduate schools do not educate their recruits about the realities of this line of work. Instead, they sell people on butterflies, sunshine, and rainbows. Oh my! As you already know, the reality couldn't be further from the truth. While in graduate school, we were never schooled on exactly what to expect once we graduated, or how to navigate around the endless obstacles. Therefore, we've been left to our own devices. We've been left to...
Sample complete. Ready to continue?